In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a funnel in ClickFunnels 2.0. When you're managing multiple funnels, things can get cluttered pretty quickly. Maybe you're testing different ideas, or you've replaced an older funnel with a newer, better version. Either way, cleaning up your account is a good habit. And in ClickFunnels 2.0, this is done by archiving a funnel rather than permanently deleting it right away. First, go ahead and log into your ClickFunnels account as you normally would. Once you're on the main dashboard, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This sidebar is where you'll find all the main sections of your account, including the one we need. Find the option labeled Funnels and click on it. After you click Funnels, you'll be taken to a page that lists all the funnels currently in your account. This might include active funnels you're using, older test funnels, or templates you've been experimenting with. Take a moment to carefully locate the specific funnel you want to remove because you don't want to archive the wrong one by mistake. On the right side of each funnels row, you'll see a small gear icon. This gear usually represents settings or configuration options. Move your mouse over to the row of the funnel you want to delete and click that gear icon. This will open the settings page for that specific funnel. Once you're inside the funnel settings, scroll down through the options. You'll see various controls related to how your funnel behaves, but for now, keep heading down toward the bottom of the page. Near the lower left corner of the screen, you should see a button labeled Archive Funnel. Before you click it, just remember that archiving is how ClickFunnels 2.0 handles funnel removal. It takes the funnel out of your active list so you don't see it or use it, which is perfect for keeping your workspace organized. When you're ready, click the Archive Funnel button. If there's a confirmation prompt, go ahead and confirm that you do want to archive that funnel. After that, the funnel will be removed from your main list and stored in the archived section, helping you keep your account clean and focused on the funnels you actually need. That's all there is to it. Log in, go to Funnels, open the funnel settings using the gear icon, and archive the funnel from the bottom left of the settings page.